MacVoices at CES 2025. MacVoices is at CES in Las Vegas. Folks, I'm Chuck Joyner. If you listen to our gift guide shows, and frankly a number of other shows, Keychron keeps coming up as a keyboard of choice for a lot of our guests and panel members. They're here at CES, and I was anxious to talk to them and see what they're showing. Paul's going to talk about what is new with Keychron. Paul, it's great to meet you.
Great to see you. Yeah. I'm Paul. I'm CEO of Keychron, and nice to see you. So this year we bring our most innovative products here. So the K2 HE, and this is magnetic keyboards, and also the wooden side and the very unique design. And so we actually won the Innovation Award at CES this year, and this is only the only keyboard to win this award this year.
Wow, that's great. That's great.
Yeah.
Now, so many of our folks seem to love your keyboards because they're customizable.
Mm-hmm.
From what I understand, and I don't have one, but I understand they can customize the clicks, the keycaps, everything.
Yes, everything. I mean, in this keyboard and in the magnetic keyboard, I think this is a new way and also the future of the keyboard, because we can actually customize it more. So before you can customize about the keycaps, the switch, and even like the acoustic films and a lot of things inside, and it's actually the hardware. But now for the magnetic keyboard, you can actually customize more. You can customize, the different accretion distance, the different travel distance, and you can give actually different trigger value. And it means actually you can build more shortcuts. And so we actually also build software online to make it more customizable, and people can even use it to access some apps, some like AI tools. Like if you are a copywriter or something, you can even build like a pro mode and write it as a micro or other things, and then put in the keyboard. And when you put, click a key, and it can open AI or ChatGPT or somewhere, and to help you. And they're actually very customizable in lots of ways. Yeah.
So explain a little bit about the magnetic part. What is magnetic about these keyboards?
Okay, so the key is magnetic. So before it's a mechanical switch inside, and mechanical switch people can easily understand. So it just click it and it's triggered. So for the magnetic switch, so it's using the magnetic field, and so it has a sensor. So it can scan the magnetic field in different ways. And so when you change a little bit and change a lot, and you can program which is triggered. So it gives the freedom. So it means like every key trigger is by the programming, not by the switch.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So that adds a lot of versatility.
Yes. It gives the freedom a lot. So that's a future.
So how do I go about customizing my Keychron? Do I buy everything from you, the keycaps, or do I order it as I wish to have it customized?
Yeah, as you wish. You can, just buy our keyboards, and if you have your own keycaps and other thing, you can just swap on this keyboard, no problem. Yeah.
Okay. And what kind of pricing do we have on this?
So this is 140, and 140, and we have even like a full metal version. So full metal version, that one is around 230. Yeah.
Okay. And the website where folks go to order theirs and learn more.
Oh yeah, you can go to our website and also go to Amazon, and we also have some in the store like Micro Center and lots of stuff. This product will come in soon. To this.
I was going to ask that. Is this shipping now, or when will this be available?
It's start shipping. You can actually purchase it right now. Oh. We just launched it last month. Yeah.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
And the website is?
Keychron.com.
Great.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for the time.
You.
Good to meet you.
Have a nice day. Yeah.
Folks, more from CES in Las Vegas. I'm Chuck Joyner. This is MacVoices. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes and to connect with Chuck on social media. Get involved in our Facebook group or like our Facebook page, and get more out of your Apple tech with MacVoices magazine, free on Flipboard and on the web. And if you find value in it all, consider supporting us through either our Patreon campaign at patreon.com/MacVoices, or by making a one-time donation via the PayPal link on our front page and in the show notes of each episode. You will join these fine people who help bring you MacVoices. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CacheFly at cachefly.com.